India and the United States have begun a fresh round of crucial trade negotiations in Washington from April 20 to 22, aimed at finalizing the first phase of a proposed bilateral trade agreement or BTA. A 12-member Indian delegation led by Chief Negotiator Darpan Jain is participating in the discussions, the first in-person engagement between the two sides since October 2025. Changing tariff landscape. The talks come amid significant shifts in US trade policy following a Supreme Court ruling that struck down reciprocal tariffs imposed under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEEPA. In response, Washington introduced a temporary 10% flat tariff on imports from all countries for 150 days starting February 24. This move has altered India's earlier advantage, where tariffs on Indian goods were expected to drop substantially. With the agreement still unsigned, New Delhi now plans to revisit and adjust its commitments to align with the evolving global trade framework. Key points in the India-US trade deal. Negotiations are underway in Washington from April 20 to 22, led by Darpan Jain. Talks follow a reset in US tariffs after the Supreme Court struck down earlier measures under IEEPA. A uniform 10% tariff has been imposed by the US for 150 days beginning February 24. India's earlier preferential tariff advantage has been diluted under the new system. The agreement is being recalibrated to ensure India's competitiveness is maintained. New Delhi aims to regain its cost advantage in the US market. Earlier tariff concessions on US goods and reduced duties on agricultural imports may be revised. India's plan to import up to $500 billion worth of US goods could be reassessed. Ongoing US investigations under Section 301 remain a contentious issue. The current round of talks marks a reset amid a changed global trade environment. Evolving trade dynamics. The negotiations are taking place against a shifting trade backdrop. China has overtaken the US as India's largest trading partner in 2025-26. While India's exports to the US saw marginal growth, imports rose sharply, narrowing the overall trade surplus.